when we were at university. I had a crush on you.
We've never actually met.
Emma Morley.
I'll walk you home.
Sorry, I'm not good at this.
Maybe we could just be friends.
Okay.
On the day they met, Dexter and Emma never imagined
We will see each other again.
I know we will.
how their lives would intersect over the next 20 years.
I'm a disaster.
I'm sure it's not a complete disaster. Come on, everyone's lost at 25.
You're not. Trainee TV producer, nice new flat.
You need a holiday.
I think we need some rules.
Rules?
I'm not taking any chances with our friendship. Separate bedrooms. No flirting. And absolutely no skinny dipping.
Yeah, well, Emma and I are just good friends.
You sure about that?
Anyway, she's not my type.
Which is exactly why I like her.
This summer, experience the lives of two people for one day each year on each anniversary of the day they met.
Do not go away. Who says quality TV is dead? I'm the king of car crash television.
You're the king of it.
I'm so much better when you're around.
I'm gonna be one of those inspirational teachers.
Those who can do, and those who can't teach.
And those who can't teach, they go to hell. I love you, Dexter. I just don't like you anymore. You're getting married.
Yeah.
I missed you, Dex.
You're concerned about my future. It's not quite what I was expecting. There's a word for this.
Butch, what do you look like?
A screwed up divorcee. I need to speak to someone. Not someone you.
She made you decent, and then in return, you made her so happy.
Whatever happens tomorrow, we had today. I'll always remember it.